Some asteroids have rings like Saturn. When you think of planetary rings, Saturn, Jupiter, and Uranus might come to mind. But did you know that some asteroids also have rings? This astonishing discovery was made in 2013 when astronomers noticed that the asteroid Chariklo had two thin rings surrounding it, just like a miniature version of Saturn. Chariklo is part of a special group of asteroids called Centaurs, which orbit between Jupiter and Neptune. Scientists were shocked to find that this 155-mile-wide space rock had rings because it was previously thought that only large planets could have them. Later, another asteroid, Chiron, was found to have a faint ring system as well, suggesting that asteroid rings might not be as rare as we once believed. So how do these asteroid rings form? One theory is that these rings are made of debris from past collisions. When a smaller object crashes into an asteroid, it can break apart, and if the asteroid has enough gravity, the debris can stay in orbit around it instead of drifting away. Another possibility is that these rings are made of frozen gases, such as methane or water ice, which create a thin, glowing disk around the asteroid. The discovery of rings around asteroids challenges everything we thought we knew about planetary systems. It shows that even small celestial objects can have complex dynamic features that resemble full-fledged planets. Could there be more ringed asteroids out there waiting to be discovered? With future telescopes and space missions, we may find even more surprises in our own cosmic backyard.